Going into week 2 of the October trading challenge, Smart Trade is killing it. Hey guys, my name is Moon Papa. I am a 3Commas ambassador, and I also have courses on thebettertraders.com. I set out at the beginning of October to have a personal trading challenge against 3Commas Smart Trade and DCA bots. I picked 2 trading pairs, Solana and Atom or Cosmos. And for those 2, I'm using 2 bots and I'm using 2 smart trades, one at a time for the smart trades, to see which one would be more profitable, I guess you could say. And I've been logging my results, and so far, Smart Trade is up 13% on my original investment, which is great after just 2 weeks. It hasn't been a smooth ride up either. For all of you that thought, oh, this is going to be easy because the market is just going to go higher. Well, when we get to the charts, you'll see what I'm talking about. DCA bots are really slow. There's only a 2.42% profit with me not touching anything. If I were you and I copied these settings and I saw what was happening in the market, I would have added another emergency safety trade using the add funds button, but we can't. I'm not doing that for myself because my rules are here. I'm only going to trade these 2 pairs. I can compound. There's no limit on smart trades per day, but it's here. Additional manual safety trades for either tool are not allowed. So it's okay, but you could definitely make more. I've also been busy. I've been busy filming content for YouTube, but mostly for our courses. So I haven't done a lot of trading. Today is the 15th, and I haven't had any trades that I put in at all, but I'm still up. And I'm sure if you've been using the TBO, you are probably in a good position right now because the charts are looking very green. Here is all of my data on 3Commas in Smart Trade history, showing all of my open and closed positions on my real account. As you can see, is blotted out. You can't see the numbers, but you can see that it's selected right now. So this isn't just paper trading. This is me using real funds to grow it and see how much I can make with Smart Trade on just these 2 trading pairs for Atom and Solana. Here we can see the bot performance for just these 2 trading pairs for the month of October. We can see that it started here. Here we go, October 1st. And so far we're up 35.81. Not that much for bots, but again, this is completely passive. I'm not having to do anything, not having to check up on anything. They're just running. Atom is outperforming Solana, which isn't a surprise to me. And maybe it is to you because maybe a lot of you are really bullish on Solana, but not so much on Cosmos or Atom. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter about the news. It matters about the chart. And you have to understand why DCA bots are designed the way they are. So let's compare the charts just so you can get a better idea of why Atom has outperformed Solana for the bot. For one, Atom has had bigger moves. It falls down, it comes up, falls down, comes up, falls down, comes up. It just keeps doing a really nice zigzag pattern, and it's going to keep doing this. It's done this for a long time. This was one of the reasons why I picked this trading chart, is because I know that this will be a great chart for a bot. Right now, we are consolidating the price action, meaning that we're going in a horizontal price range right now, but it's okay as long as you have patience and DCA, you're good. Solana does have a lot of the same ups and downs, but it's mostly just these big runs. And these little pullbacks are really small compared to Atom, where the moves were so much bigger. So you can see these yellow lines here. I had some, not doomsday orders, but some really low orders here because I was thinking that if the price does fall down, which it could, I'm not sold on it yet, but I think the price could still fall down. I don't think it's going to happen, but if it did, I'll be prepared because I have orders waiting to be filled right here. That should make a nice little profit. But if I were just sticking to the 30-minute time frame with the TBO and focusing just on these red and green lines to show my resistance and support, I would have worked off of this to find the longest line of support. Here's one. I'm going to get rid of this one, and I'll just move this one up. And I see another order right there. So this section right here makes a lot of sense to see a lot of price action falling into this area. But I'm actually going to move this a little bit higher because look, if you place your orders right at the green line of support, sometimes it does get filled, but you want to make sure that your order does get filled. So you want to usually go above it. So if I had gone above it and placed my order there, looking at the next longest line of support, then I would be up approximately 6% right now, which would be good. For Atom, it would be much better. Looking at the longest line of support right here, there would be a moment where I'd be in a loss of 5%, but shot up to 9%, and now it's up to 8%. I am not in an open smart trade right now for Cosmos or for Solana. I am waiting for orders to get filled because that's part of my trading plan. I don't want to exert my energy on this because I have a lot going on, but I'm showing you that with me placing orders and waiting using 3 commas, so far I've already made 13% on these 2 charts. I'm not having to look for charts. I'm not having to hunt them down and do all this analysis. I'm using 2 charts, using the TBO and 3 commas and just relaxing. And I'm already up 13% in 2 weeks. It's pretty good for low stress trading. And this is me not sitting in front of the computer all day, day trading and trying to get the most out of it. This is me just setting buys, waiting, setting my sell orders to scale out. That's it. So far, I think it's obvious who the winner is going to be at the end of the month. But I don't know. DCA bots could surprise me depending on what the market does. And remember that DCA bots will always have an advantage if there is a sudden market crash because DCA bots love to eat up, like Pac-Man, all of that negative price action. So when the price falls down, it's going to average down the base order entry price a lot further. So when the price recovers, you get closed out in profit, more profit actually. And for your smart trades, you'll probably get just stopped out. You have to keep trying to wait for the bottom to establish itself. DCA bots have the advantage in a sideways market. Smart trade can work in a sideways market, but there's a chance of getting stopped out if I'm overeager to get into a trade. So I'm just waiting. Hopefully I can bring this up to like 30% or 40% by the end of the month, but I'm not really trying super duper hard. I'm just letting it run. I'm just trusting my trades and doing everything else that I have to do. If you missed out on the start of this trading challenge, down below in the description, there are links for you to copy the DCA bots for Atom and Solana. And if you want to know more about the TBO, there's a link down below to learn about it on our website. So until next week's update, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.